Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 30th of September, 2020. I just want to be clear, this is the quarter-end, month-end statement printing. So, what we obviously see a lot of times is that the day or two before that becomes very flat. I think you can argue that today was very flat. After the gap up Monday and Tuesday have been flat. Wednesday probably would be too, because they're going to want to print the statements for the end of the quarter and get their bonuses and do whatever. We'll look at that in a minute. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market and futures form. Not much there to look at. We got the S&P cash lost 16.13. The SOX up $4.88. The Russell down $5.61. That's just nothing. Nasdaq 100 down 41 points after gapping up on Monday, so it's just sitting up there. Biotech's up 6. That's a blip for them. The advanced decline ratio on the Nasdaq was negative 127, negative 153. Sorry, more stocks down than up, negative 753 on the New York. So more stocks lost ground today. The VIX was up 8 cents. That's a blip. Apple, let's just go through the major stuff. Apple down 87 cents. Amazon down 28.17. Facebook was down, or actually up $4.97. Google gains $7.36. Netflix up $2.83. Tesla down $2.13. The Dow was down 131. Goldman Sachs loses $2.28. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up 19 cents. And that is what it is. Now, if we look at the futures, the current month contract, look at the 5-minute, like 2 days after the gap up Monday, it's just been this dead flat action. And again, going to print the statements on Wednesday after the close. So if we get a fairly flat or a small gap up and stay in this range, it's not tradable. It's not what we like to see. You're not going to make a lot of money here. It's awful. But wouldn't be surprising for the end of the quarter to print those statements and do what we need to do. In terms of economic data on Wednesday, we've got the ADP non-farm employment change at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. The final third look at GDP for the second quarter, negative 31.7%. It's hard to say out loud. Expected. Chicago PMI at 9:45, pending home sales at 10, crude oil inventories at 10:30, and that is it. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday, and then we'll see what the rest of the week after the start of October brings us. We're in the last quarter of the year, holiday season, folks. Can you believe that? Thanks.